One of my favorite things about summertime is the live concerts that are in the parks around California. We have a really good one right here at the pier in Seal Beach. So we get there early and we make a night out of it. I try to make some appetizers and we just hang out and have wine and see all the neighbors, and it's really good. I'm gonna make some keto deviled eggs for our little soiree tomorrow night. And I just wanted to show you how I do it. I boiled 8 eggs and I just put the water in the pan, let it come to a boil, pop the eggs in, set my timer for 9 minutes, and they're ready. They're always perfect. They're not too overcooked, they're not undercooked, they're just perfect. I peeled them, sliced them in half. Now I'm gonna pop them into my food processor. To this, I will add 4 strips of cooked bacon and 1 large jalapeno. I'm just gonna chop those up into there with my cooking shears. It's all chopped up really well. Next, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, a half teaspoon of Coleman's mustard, 3/4 of a cup of mayo, organic Sprouts mayo. And we'll be ready to fill our eggshells with this mixture. I'm going to transfer this mixture into a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to put the bag inside of this measuring cup just to make it easier to fill, otherwise it might tip over. Work it to where all of the egg mixture is down at the bottom of the bag. And then I just have to cut a little hole in the bottom of the tip of the bag. These will go into the refrigerator to harden up. We'll garnish the top with either a jalapeno or a piece of bacon and maybe some paprika. Then I will put them in my Tupperware to take to the concert tomorrow night. This is how they look once they're garnished with bacon and jalapeno and sprinkled with paprika. If you go to a concert this summer, try making these. They have less than 1 carb per egg and they taste divine. Thanks so much for watching.